My name is Dora. I'm a format expert, and this video is to show you how to create a contact page with a contact form. To get started, you will first need to go to the Pages editor here from the left side toolbar, then tap on Create and Custom Page. Give your custom page a title and click on Add Custom Page. Once within the custom page editor that you've just created, you will see two options popping up. One option is to start from scratch, when you could add a section and that section can be a contact form, or you can choose a custom page template and add a more complex contact page with multiple features on it. I'll select Add a Template. You'll be brought then with a page with multiple tabs regarding the templates that you can add. If you click on the Contact tab over here, you'll be able to see multiple templates that you can create your contact page on. So I'll choose this one with a premium slideshow at the top. Once you choose a template, the template will apply to the custom page, and you'll be able to customize each pre-filled field on the page. So you can replace this text over here by removing the pre-filled text and say, let's talk, for instance. And once you customize the text over here, you'll see a mini toolbar with different formatting options appearing at the top. You can change this piece of text from the current large heading to, say, body text. And you can also change the way it looks like, so you can justify it, for example. Or you can center it. You can bold it, set it to italics, or add a link to it. So you can hyperlink the piece of text by selecting it, clicking link, and either linking it to an already existing page on your format site, an external site by clicking on website, or your email address by adding your email address here, then tapping create. Further down the page, you will see the option to add slides to the slideshow over here. So you can click on add a slide to have this box over here where you can add the slide, its title, description, and link to a specific page. Further down the page even, you will see another piece of text, which again, if you click within the box, you'll be able to edit and format as well as link. And over here, you will see a contact form. In this contact form, you'll be able to have this field where your site visitors can enter their name, their email address, and their message. You can also customize the pre-filled text, the prompting text here that appears in the contact form. So instead of message, say I wanted to say write your query here. So I can customize that. And at the end, I can edit the contact information here, customize it with my own phone number, if I choose so, address, or email address. That is already hyperlinked over here. So I can switch this to my own email address, then click on link and hyperlink it over here. Always save changes after you've made modifications to the custom page. The Save Changes button will ensure that the edits that you've made will apply to the page. What you can do is also delete sections from this template by clicking the red bin symbol over here in the upper right hand side corner. So say I wanted to delete this contact form and add another one that has more fields. I'll click Add Section. I'll go to Forms over here, the Forms tab. And if you scroll further down the page, you will see this contact form with more customizable fields that I can customize the message of. So I can add here categories that I want my site visitors, when they get in touch, to fill in once they fill in the form. You can also add an additional field by tapping the form, and next to the additional fields here pop up, you will see a number of fields that you can add. Say I want to add the maximum, which is 8, and customize each one of those fields. After you've customized the fields, you can save changes. Once you've created your contact form and your contact page, what you'll want to do is to add a site contact email to ensure that you've added an email to which the messages you receive via the contact form will go to. You can add your site contact email address by going to Settings over here, clicking on the Site tab over here, and if you scroll further down the page, you will see a field dedicated to the site contact email address. This is the email address that contact form messages will reach you at. Once you're done, you can again hit the Save Changes button and you're ready to go. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, please do feel free to reach out to us via chat. The chat icon is located here in the lower right-hand side corner of your screen, or via email at info@format.com, and we'd be more than happy to help.